How can you really know if you are intoxicated or if you really need a detox, a liver detox, a kidney detox, or a general body detox? What is the true reality of detoxifying, and how and what are the symptoms that indicate you might be intoxicated with salt, sugar, and toxins of everyday foods? That's what I'm going to reveal today in this video. Intoxication is something very common, especially when you're eating a lot of food that you should not be eating, like fried foods, fats, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, whatever you're eating every day. So whatever you're eating every day today has many of the pesticides you do not want to consume. Sometimes you're eating processed food. Sometimes you're eating genetically modified grains that might be deemed healthy, but in the end, something is staying in your body that is intoxicating you in the long run. We always need a detox. We always need something to help us eliminate these toxins in order to stay healthy. But what are the symptoms? What tells us really that we need a detox or a detoxification regime every day? So today, I'm going to reveal every step of the way of what you need to know in order to recognize if your body really needs a detoxifying regime. Number one, your face might be greasy. Having a greasy face or greasy skin is not normal. Well, it might be normal when you're a teenager, because this is a normal part of your development where the body needs more fats in order to grow, in order to produce more hormones, or during puberty, but not when you're all grown up and you are an adult. If you're having trouble keeping your face clean, keeping your face without that grease on the skin, you might be needing a detox. You might be needing maybe buying an air fryer, not using fried foods, or not using or eating things that are building up with fats, cholesterol, and triglycerides in your body. Now, this is a very important symptom, and this might be indicating that your liver is also full of fats, that your blood is also full of cholesterol, or maybe even not with high cholesterol, your body is trying to get rid of all these fats through the skin. It's a very important symptom. If you need something natural that can help you detoxify naturally, reduce these fats, triglycerides, and cholesterol, look for Heart Excel, Oxyelixir in capsule form, and Garlic Gold from Fineland at FinelandVitamins.com. Number two, feeling tired, fatigue, or lethargic. Not having that mental agility, not being awake all the time and feeling all lethargic and bloated in a sense is not normal. This might be indicating that your body's not functioning well, your metabolism is very slow, and also that your body is needing to detoxify. Remember, when you are intoxicated, your body is filling itself up with liquids. It's filling itself up with inflammatory substances and substances produced by the body to help it defend itself from everything you are accumulating. And this might be making you feel all lethargic. Your mental awareness is down through it's down in the ground. You don't feel that you're mentally active. You're always forgetting things. Your thyroid might not be working well, and this obviously is a toll on your body. So be careful. If you're feeling like this, you might be needing to detoxify. My advice to you is stop eating grains, stop eating breads, stop eating sugars and salts. Try to have a healthy diet with more vegetables. Improve your thyroid health. This will help a great lot. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Metathyroid, Appleizer, PercuHealth, and a great detoxifying product from Fineland, also Thistle Essence at FinelandVitamins.com. Number three, feeling bloated and even having pain under the last rib on your right side. If you're having that pain on the last rib on the right side, that is the exact place where your liver is at. You have, or you might be having, a fatty liver. You might be intoxicated. You might even have gallstones or inflammation that your body's not being able to reduce to help you digest your food properly. You have a buildup. You have a buildup of toxins, you have a buildup of fats, you have a buildup of cholesterol, and all sorts of substances that need to be eliminated. Be careful with your liver. Be sure and make sure that you are detoxifying it with water before you have a meal, after you have a meal. Be sure that you're taking and eating low amounts of greasy foods or of foods at night. Go to bed with some hot tea every night. That is very important for your liver in order to detoxify. At the same time, obviously, you have to eat foods that will help your liver make sure that it can cleanse itself every single day. Cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. I don't really like Brussels sprouts that much, but it does help. It does help the liver. But there are many other foods that can help you improve these symptoms. This is a symptom that you need to detoxify. If you need something natural that will help you detoxify, specifically your liver, your kidneys, and your blood, look for Purify You, Hepaclean, Dandelion, and also Neuroflex from Fineland at FinelandVitamins.com. Number 4, experiencing pain in your joints and also feeling that you are full of liquids in your feet. Your feet might be indicating that your kidneys are not functioning well. They're not eliminating all the liquids they should be eliminating, and obviously this will affect your blood pressure. It will affect your heart. It will affect the accumulation of substances that will end up in your joints. And guess what? This is known as inflammation in your joints. It might be painful. It might be even arthritis, osteoarthritis. It might be even something you always have and you don't know how to get rid of. Well, it might be due to the event of your kidneys getting used to having all this intoxication during many years and thinking that it's normal. Well, you can change that. It might take a while. It can take maybe a year, 2 years, but I guarantee that you can get rid of that pain. And it starts by changing your diet. You have to stop eating red meats. You have to stop eating processed sausages and meats and all sorts of hams. You have to start eating more vegetables and obviously taking supplements that are anti-inflammatory, that are regenerative to your joints and improving the health of your kidneys in order for these to make sure that they cleanse your heart, cleanse your blood, every single day and every single step of the way. Remember, detoxifying is key because your body should be doing this every day. Problem is that we are giving it more than it really can take, and at the same time we have to go all over these protocols in order to make sure that this really happens. If you need something natural that is anti-inflammatory that will help your kidneys get rid of everything that you might be accumulating that you don't need, look for Kirku Health from Fineland, Purify You, and Uriescence, which I guarantee that if you take with a lot of water every day, will help you enormously. Don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share with someone that might be needing this information, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.